it.
Sweetie, why you think I'm letting I Am Mara enjoy Jamaica?
Because there's freedom of movement.
Okay.
You can walk anywhere you feel like going. Nobody will stop you.
Yeah, family. You know, so the reason why I'm letting I Am Mara enjoy Jamaica is because of peace. It's because of love. It's because of sunlight. And it's because of I'm wearing this shirt. And it's what it says on it, one love. God bless. Jamaica is art and love. So family, you know, I just want to make this video, guys, to let you know that, you know, the reason why, you know, I'm allowing Mara to enjoy Jamaica because of one love, because of peace, because of love, because of sunlight. It's because of we are all one African family.
But when you say that way, it sounds like you can do something. There's nothing you can do. No, I'm putting it that way in this way.
No, well, there's
because
and when you think about it, you know, when you think about it,
whether
you know what I mean.
has done you wrong or anything,
No.
just let them be.
Well, to be honest with you, Mara, I've done nothing wrong to me or anything. You know, he has done nothing wrong. I just reach out to him as a bigger brother, and he know the situation. I know everything of what
That is
happened
the
between
only
me and the
thing wrong
sister
with it.
and everything. I reach out to him and he reach out back to me and say he will actually get his sister side of the story.
Well, if he didn't side with you, of course he sided.
You know what I
with
mean?
you.
So I'm just saying to myself that, you know what I mean, you know, when I say this thing, I just want you guys to know that, you know what I mean, I just, you know, lose respect for him, because as a man, you should honor your word, come out and give a disclaimer and say whatever it is, you know what I mean, whatever is on your mind. Don't actually, when everything, all the evidence is there on the internet and people see everything, you know, that you was at the apartment, you said this, you said that, even though you lie and do a lot of stuff, you know what I mean, everybody know the truth. So, you know, when you're silent and behave like that now, you know what I mean, people know that he's not an honest man. So, you know, to all due respect, you call my name on a video, say this and that, and it's a hoax and all kind of thing, and I come back with the evidence, I still never reply and say nothing. So, you know what I mean,
Such people, you let universe deal with them.
no, so, and that's the thing, you know, the law and the universe are fight for you, and that's double trouble. When things start to happen and stuff, it's just the universe that deal with it. When things start to happen, it's just the universe that deal with it. And when the law ready to deal with it, the law ready to deal with it. Yeah, family. So, you know what I mean, I just want to just make this video to let you guys know that, you know, Jam Tours is one love, Jam Tours is jobless, Jam Tours is art and love.
People are waiting for you to talk or anything.
Yeah, I know a lot of people is waiting. But to be
Guys.
honest, you know what I mean, you know, it's just one love. They are, you know, Mara is just like a brother from another mother. It's all one family. It's all African people. So, you know, and that's the thing. If you want somebody to have a problem as a African, and you know what I mean, you shouldn't be like, you know, want to use violence to solve things, situation. You know, for me, it's just.
Well, let me tell you, we normally say, when you revenge, I'm not saying that's what you're doing. You're not doing anything. You're not even up to anything. But I say when somebody revenges, or when somebody does revenge, the English is correct. You only do more harm than good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you just let people be. Let them
Yeah,
be.
there's the law already
So
dealing
let
with
them
it
tell you,
and
that's my
stuff.
story.
The law already dealing with it. So we make them deal with it, and we make the universe. You know what I mean? No law is higher than the universe law. The universe law is the best law ever.
Don't you normally see?
You know, if when man-made law fail you, the universe law will never fail you.
No, it doesn't.
So I am Mara, if you're watching this, you know what I mean, and you know what I mean, you know, I just wanted to let you know that, you know, Jamaica is art of love, one love, jobless, and you know, you wasn't a real man. It wasn't come out. It didn't come out and say your side of the story and say the reason why, you know what I mean, you know, we're not giving back Jam Tours his money, or allow my sister not to respond to Jam Tours or anything because of this, because of that. You know the story. I know everything happened. You know what I mean? Because you was there and you know everything. So, you know what I mean, I just want to make this video that, you know, if you feel like you want to have a change of mind and man up and come out and say something about the matter, do it. Don't be afraid. Be a man and come out and say, yo, this jam tour situation, this and that, because everything now is on the internet. I even have more evidence to post, and I'm not even posting it yet. I as you know, guys, I'm on my vacation and stuff. I'm on vacation mode, so I didn't even want to talk about this. But seeing that you're in Jamaica, a lot of people is looking for jam tours to say something. I just say something. But all jam tours have is love and support and everything. So, just watching you enjoy Jamaica and making your videos and enjoying yourself while, the universe law and the man-made law will put to work, seeing that you guys all want to stay silent and don't want to say nothing about the matter. The universe will deal with you. So, that's just my statement on the matter. So, that's just what it is, family. So for anyone who is looking for jam tours to say something and do something,
don't expect anything.
This is what I'm doing, family. It's just love, and I would actually, be disappointed in myself to do anything other than love, other than peace. And it's all about uplifting the African families. But if you and somebody have something together,
we stop here first, or we first go?
Yeah, we'll go and then come back.
Okay.
You should just be a man and sort it out online and just stop. All of these things is just childish, and it's not manly, and it shows that most of these men online, they actually don't grow with a father figure. And if you don't grow with a father figure, you have to seek personal development to develop yourself as a man. You don't come on the internet and crying about people doing you this, people doing you that, and reactors doing this, reactors doing that. All you got to do is be a man and be truthful and be honest, and the reactors, them can't say nothing about you. You know what I mean? And when the reactor them coming out with them evidence and them proof, none of you guys want to change. You just want to continue doing the same thing, and and that's what it is. And that's why people always have things to say about you guys. You know what I mean? So family, this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. Like, share and comment on the video. And as you know, guys, I'm on vacation and I'm just posting some vacation videos at the moment. But once those videos are finished, we'll come back to more vlogs and new vlogs, and we just allow the universe to steer us and guide us in the content that we can make to add value to people like that. So, at the moment, just watch up the video, like up the video, share up the video, drop your thoughts, drop your comment. When you come to Africa, link up with Jam Tours. You know what I mean? So this is One Love, God bless. I'm out. One Love, Jamaica.